Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
State Working President Jon National People's Party Marcus and Marang ubolongru menteri jong sarkar jela uleh snok tilang ban Pyrshah ke jing shimra jong sarkar Assam ban khang ba mi kedok Masi ha ke jaga pait ba da ka boong ba ka bam kadi ke dika hok jong we po we no shoshnong ha ke je kram ikla pathai ku bor umarak ulong ha ka ni ke recent shar pait ba bro ke no shoshnong kilong ke belai luit ban bam kat bakimon kabam kadi ke dika hok jong ginong shoshnong bat ha ka ju ka por la penpau bom pediang setia ke Jingkhang ba mi kedok Masi ha kono kono ke jela.
My opinion regarding meat ban in any other state is that, we are a democracy country in India and we are free to eat anything. Food habit is a, right of any individual. So therefore, I don't accept the kind of ban that any government is putting on somebody in any states, I would say. So we have every right to have any kind of a food habit. Like example, we tribals, we eat so many things. So if you put restriction on our food habit, that is not a good thing. So our right to freedom of speech is also there. Right to economic activities are there. Our fundamental rights, in fact, fundamental rights are being deprived by putting on restriction on this.